Suppose we have to convert another binary digit 1 0 1 0 and 1 1. This is to be converted into decimal number system. So what will we do? First of all, we will write the binary number 1 0 1 0 1 1. Then use arrows to write each and every number. This is 1. After that, below this write this number. This is 1. Again below this write this number 0. Again use this number right here as this is 1. Now use this number. This is 0. Then use this number. Sorry. This is 1. Now use multiplication sign. And multiply each and every digit by 2 2 2 2 2, and here we have already written. Now write the powers starting from 0 to the last one. Here it is 0, 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, right? Now solve this. Implies that, implies that, implies that, implies that, implies that, implies that, right? Now solve it. 1 into, if it is 2 raised to the power n 0, any number has power 0, then its value will be 1, right? Then this is equal to 1 into 1, it will be 1, right? Now next thing here, 1 into 2 raised to the power 1 means 2. What will be the answer? It will be 2. Now next thing, 0 into 2 raised to the power 2, it means 2 2 ja 4, it is 4. 0 into 4 means it is 0, right? Now here 1 into 2 raised to the power 1 into 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8, right? Here then 1 into 8, that is equal to 8. Here 0 into 2 raised to the power 4, it means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, it means 16, and its value 0 into 16, that is equal to 0. Now here 1 into 2 raised to the power 5, it means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 32, right? Then what will be? 32 1 ja 32. Now add this all. 1 2 3 3 8 11 11 32 43, right? This is the 43, which is binary equivalent, which is decimal equivalent of 101011. Okay, it means this is 43. It means this is the process by which you can convert any binary number into the decimal number. First write the numbers, then use it, copy each and every number one below another, then multiply it by 2 and after that write the index of 2 starting from 0 to the last digit, and after that solve this, and after solving this add all the answers, and here you will get the decimal equivalent of the binary digits. This is how you can convert binary number into the decimal number.